Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm live streamer Caitlin. And our company specialized in commercial diesel parts. Today I would like to introduce you one of our control valve. Let's see it together. This one. Let's check it. Firstly, you can see the outside packaging, this kind of blue VCI interval bags here with the product label. Yeah, right. The information include the product SKU and also with the product code F00RJ01334. And for this kind of logo labeled packages, that we can support customized service. So any of our customers have such demand, please feel free to contact us. Wow, that's the inside product. Let's take a look at. Actually, we use the hard transparent bottles to package it. It can be better avoid some damages during the transportation. So you don't need to worry about any stuffs will hurt the inside product. You can see here and the oil paper to wrap it up. Wow, see the inside product, the whole side. Actually, we're not only selling the whole side, we're also selling the separated ones, such as the separated valve cap and the valve rods. Here you can see clearly. On the valve cap, there with the coating figures here, and that's the valve rods. And for product quality guaranteed, each product we supply with 6 months warranty time. So any of our customers will receive the packages. If you are not set with the quality, it's okay. We can return or exchange it for you. So no worries. If you like a product, please start it now. You can order it and you don't need to worry about anything. Okay, and here Caitlin have 3 tips want to share with you because we're doing this kind of business for many years and we have a lot of experience we want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean the valve assembly, don't clean it with the water. Remember, clean it with oil, okay? And the second tip is if you make sure the valve cap is in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Okay, that's all the introductions. Actually, if you still have other questions or if you want to say something to me, you can leave the comments below these videos. And at last, remember follow us at YouTube or the Facebook account so that next time you can easily find us, okay? And we have the WhatsApp, the phone numbers, the email address, and our website. You can choose one way. Feel free to contact us. Caitlin and here. I will waiting for your news. So much for today. Thank you for staying with me. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.